Hello, welcome to Dimples and Arabian Journey, and today's unique recipe is double cheese garlic sandwich. To check our entire video and for the ingredient details, please have a look onto the description box below. Do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag flouraroma. So let's start cooking. Please note down the ingredient details. So I've taken around 3 to 4 slices of cheddar cheese. You can also opt for mozzarella, but we are already using mozzarella shredded cheese. So 3 to 4 slices of cheddar. Capsicum or bell peppers, green or yellow, your choice. Half cup of capsicum. Half cup of capsicum and half cup of onions, finely chopped. Red chili flakes, around 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of herb mix. Finely chopped garlic. Some roughly chopped spring onions and coriander leaves. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Shredded mozzarella. Salt for taste. Melted butter, around half cup. Bread slices, around 4 to 6 pieces. You can either opt for brown bread or multigrain bread, but this is a normal white bread. Please do check our description box for the entire recipe and the details to be followed. This is salted butter, so I'll be very careful while using extra salt or sprinkling some salt for the sandwich. So corn was on demand. On my kids' request, I've added some corn kernels, so you can also add in or just skip it. At this stage, you can add some chaat masala also if you do not want to use the herb mix powder. Instead, you can use chaat masala. Please go easy on salt because the cheese and the butter already have a lot or a good amount of salt. So just need to be careful about the salt. Post you add in the butter, grease the pan evenly and see that you cover and simmer it for around 10 minutes in a very low flame. The flame should be just enough to melt the cheese. You do not need to cook them. If you feel so that the cheese is not melting to the point, do not increase the flame. Just give it more 5 minutes. Please do add in some spring onion on top of the layers of the cheesy burst sandwich. It really enhances the taste of the cheese sandwich. Also, it gives out a very unique sour and cream texture to the sandwich. It is a very good combination, a must-try combination. Do add in, however, it's completely optional. I've also prepared a single second batch by adding some of the coriander leaves to it, and it also brings out a unique taste. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video today. Do make this recipe for your loved ones and do share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. Do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag flouraroma. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe us. Stay connected. Hit the bell icon.